2, 1. Hey guys, we just launched the TSP SkyShrimp Medium 1 on a D12-5 motor this time. I'm not a big fan of this rocket, actually. I've realized. I saw the flight trajectory and it was very wobbly, like unstable. It's because of the fins. I wanted the fins to look unique, but I think I didn't really account too well for how heavy the materials were, because because of shipping, I couldn't use a standard body tube. I had to use a motor mount tube for the body tube, so it's thick-walled, and then that's a 3D printed nose cone, which is heavier, so it's just kind of unstable. But either way, it did launch pretty smooth. The footage was not great, admittedly, so that's why I have a slow-mo for you at the end of this. I did use the Estes Altimeter video on that soon, but unfortunately, I don't know, it was either user error. I think it was a glitch though. It could have been user error, but I think it was a glitch. It didn't end up recording the altitude. I set it up, but it just wasn't working. So I will say, if you are going to use this right before you launch, test to see if it works by cupping it in your hand, sucking the air out, simulate that. If it does read, then that's good. You're good to launch. Just reset it, launch again. If not, if staying at 0, what fixed it for us wasn't turning it off and back on again like I hoped it would, but just clearing out all the data using the clear function. That ended up working for us. But then it got too windy, so we didn't do any other launches. But there we have it. Yes, that's the TSP SkyShrimp Medium 1 on a D12-5 motor. Overall, the launch is pretty good, though. It went up nice and fast. It's kind of a cloudy day, not a great day to launch. And I did put this makeshift hook using masking tape and a paper clip, because I was real short on time, just to hook this on here, because I can't find the foam that I use, the little foam blocks that I usually use. Well, usually, I don't think I've ever put a real payload in here. Let's get this. Oh, it's tight. But that is the TSP SkyShrimp Medium 1. Now, thank you guys for watching. Do the YouTube thing, like, subscribe, whatever. And now watch the slow-mo version of the clip you saw at the beginning. Same clip, just slowed down. If you want the full view, because it's kind of hard, because it's they're all filmed in portrait mode, but this video, long style videos, they're in landscape mode, so you don't get the full angle. If you want to, then you can go to the shorts. I have 2 shorts uploaded, so you guys can see that, both the quick and the slow-mo. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, here's the slow-mo.